Hey everyone, and welcome to another SFX tutorial. So in today's video I'm going to show you how to create a kind of shredded nail and skin that's been pretty much stuck in a sharpener. So I pretty much just used some scar wax, kind of rolled it into like skin, kind of like a little worm kind of shape, just like that, and stuck it right inside the sharpener. And then I got some of my BYS color wheel and some runny blood. So I use vampire blood and also the Marin blood as well. Pretty much just mix all different colors of blood until you kind of cover the white kind of color of the scar wax, but at the same time you do want to kind of leave a little bit of white to make it look like your actual skin tone. So that's what I kind of did there. I left the little tip kind of white, and yeah, that's pretty much how easy it is. Very, very simple to do. I did do this literally a few months ago when I started doing my SFX for the first time, and then I obviously just got some of the extra blood and just kind of ran it down the finger, and this is how it kind of turned out. You can do any finger that you want, but my pinky is pretty much the only finger that managed to fit inside the sharpener because I've got quite chunky fingers. Anyway, so this is the end of the video. If you did enjoy it, please leave it a like and also subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I'll see you guys in another one. Bye!